This is our high power blender, right? We've had this in the catalog for 5.5 years. It's been our most popular item in the 5.5 years. Well, we reached over 1 million sold. Yes, 1 million sold. It's in the catalog for over $600 right now. It's on sale for $459, but I have a deal going on right now for you. Would you like to hear the deal? Now, how would you like to get this for 8 easy payments of $44.75? That is $358, and that's complete with tax and shipping, okay? That's amazing. Now, do you like the black and gray? They came out because of the amazing 1 million sold. They came out with this beautiful gold and white one as well. So you get to choose, do you want the gray one? I'm out of center here. The gray and black one, or do you want the gold and white one? You can choose either one or get both, right? So it's $358 right now. That's almost half off, guys. That is insane. So it's 8 easy payments of $44.75. But this deal ends this Friday to lock in this price. You are not going to see it this low again. Our high power blender retails again for over $600. It has programmable buttons for dips and spreads, soups. Dips and spreads, soups. I can't even think right now. I'm so excited about it. I use it all the time, but smoothies, soups, dips and spreads. 1,500 watts of power. 1,500 watts of power. It comes with the tamper, so you can push everything in. It's amazing. This is the one I use all the time in my kitchen. I just got this one. I had to have it. It was just beautiful. So again, screenshot this. This is my email. This is my phone number. Text me, guys, to get in on this deal, okay? And if you want it, I bet you have a friend that also wants it as well. We got to get these out into people's homes. Think of all the things that you can be making. I've made so many amazing things. I've made hummus, soups. I've made smoothies, chilies. It crushes, it pulverizes everything. This is a great deal. You're not going to want to miss out on it, guys. So this is our high power blender, 1,500 watts. Right now, 8 easy payments of $44.75, which retails for over $600, and you're going to get it for $358. Which one do you like, the black one or the white and gold? You get to choose. Unbelievable. OMG, absolutely love them. Okay. A blender set. Okay. 8 payments of $44.75. But this one ends on Friday. You don't want to miss out.